thinking about possibly getting back on a long. We just had J period open up, and this little tail down here. We've basically been balanced these last two periods in terms of based on the volume-based model, the expected range of the bars or periods, 30-minute periods. Um, so if I get in, I'm hoping to repair this poor high up here at 4150. The fact that we're so wide with the profile, I mean, range extension might not be that much. Might not get that much out of any kind of range extension today. We're inside Friday's value too, so just got long 38. Got a nice tail and cumulative delta right here. Hopefully we can get a pop, and it's going to take we're going to take out that poor high. Be nice. As a matter of fact, I might just only take it to 41. So I hope they can get it, take it out this time. If I might just scale it. I got a 2 lot on right now, so I'm going to scale out at maybe 41. Poor highs at 4150. I know there's some stops above here, and that's just if we get movement to the upside, you know. These blue bars right here, there's professionals, so I'm hoping they're coming back in. We're going to take this higher right here too on the 1500 tick bar chart. If we can get a pop there, nice, man, nice. Oh, let's just keep it going. Come on. All right, don't play around here. Bullish divergence, volume's coming back in. It's all supportive. I got Temple picking up a little bit too. Ticks rock showing positive. All the indices are starting to show some upside movement. Bonds are coming off, so this is all nicely correlated with what I want to see. Cumulative delta is looking real nice down here. It's got some tails. Notice the tails we've had on every other run up this morning, so hopefully this is going to be one. I don't want to get my hopes up too high, but I really hope that this one works out. So far this trade's working out. I've had a couple of losses today I'm not pleased with. This is another pro bar coming, a 2000 tick bar chart. Hopefully we can break the highs of those. Come on. That would give me full confidence that these were longs being accumulated all along. I just wasn't willing to take the heat just based on my other loss from this morning. This is going to be, you know what? Okay, so I'm not going to play it based on, I'm going to be monitoring this trade extremely closely because I got this going to, over here, 1500 tick bar chart is going to print cyclical resistance sooner or later. So if we can get above 39.75, I would really like that. And okay, I'm not going to have another losing trade. I'm going to tell you that right now. I will scratch this trade. If it doesn't work out with a second, I mean, I'll take it back to break even. I know it's not really good trade management, but I'm not taking any more losses today. So please, whatever it's worth, the price, don't come back down to my entry. I don't want to take another loss on this. Come on. Don't do it. My delta momentum on my volume imbalance footprint charts are looking positive. Cumulative delta is still rising a little bit. fast. Let's just let it push through this level 39. Come on, push through that. Let's go. Okay. Come on. Here we go. Come on. Okay. So, unfortunately, what's going to happen here is I'm just going to take a point on this, and I'll explain why after it gets filled here. Probably going to leave a lot on the table, but I don't care at this point. Alright, so just took a point on a 2 lot. Reason being is, let's start first with how fat the profile is here. And basically we're forming up what's the beginning of a 2-day balance. Extremely fat profile on Friday. Haven't got any range extension really on either side. Have a poor high, so I know there's some weak hands up here that could possibly be still holding longs, and we might have a further break before we actually repair these highs. And also today's forming up to be, a fat profile as well. I mean, we're 5-6 wide now. That's a prominent POC. We're playing around with the open from the year. It's a sketchy area to be in. I've had 2 losses this morning. And then in the final, one of the final points that had me make the decision just to take a point was this right here is going to roll over and print cyclical resistance somewhere in this area, and I just wasn't willing. I mean, well, as I'm explaining this right now, that was a phenomenal exit. I'm pleased with this because it's not another loss. I've chewed into some of my losses today, so I'm happy with me taking the trade-off. And also what made me started thinking about it too was how quickly this sine wave, these 2 lines had started rising, which means it's going to quickly print a cyclical resistance too. So I don't know, I can't read what's going on very well right now. I mean, I've got these professional bars, there's a message in here. I haven't been able to unlock it yet, but I tend to think they're longs. But now that we came down, I mean, maybe they are trying to shake out these weaker hands up here, and so we can take it up and rally and take out the poor high and go further on. But at this point, it's too early to tell. So I'm going to take what I have in this trade anyways and look for the next one.